Hi guys, welcome back again to our channel. So today's video, we're going to make my lunch. So we are officially married. Yay! So ayan na guys. So ganito lang yung fit natin for today. Ayan, ito yung room namin. Ayan, kitchen. Ayan, ito yung room namin guys. So papakita natin sa inyo guys. So dito kami sa High Residences. High Residence. Dito kami ngayon guys. Wala kami sa konto sa kabila. So we are here in Rise Residence. Napakano sa labas-labas guys. So ganyan yung aming room. Ayan, yung tables namin is maano guys. Makalat. So dito kami. So this is the kitchen. So ayan. Tingnan mo guys ang rep namin. Hindi ako nagluluto. Meron lang kami sausage. Hindi kami kumakain. But mostly we are eating from outside. Tingnan mo guys, nag-cook ako ng rice. Ang dami talagang ano guys. Rice yan. Meron kaming eggs. Wait. Ayun guys, itong laman ng ref namin. Ayun, toothpaste ko, toothbrush ko, nalagay ko pala yung egg namin guys. Ayan. Mostly, bumibili lang kami ng konti. I buy some short, but this one, because the kids are stay with her. Meron kaming mayonnaise. Mayonnaise, may ganyan. And then, meron kaming, ito guys, para sa mga kids. So, umuwi na sila guys. We have some Mountain Dew, like that. But thank you. Ito guys, nagustuhan ng aking asawa guys. Yes, nagustuhan ng aking asawa itong yung Cobra Energy Drinks. So we have here some Pudgy Bar. Hindi kami nagbibili ng madami. We have some noodles. Itong dami labing leftover na rice guys. So sayang. Kaya hindi ako nagluluto ng marami guys. Meron kaming toast. Ayan, noodles. Meron kaming wafer. Yan lang guys. And then, tingnan mo yung birthday ni Wilson. Hindi ko pala na-vlog. So, we're busy for the last few days. Right? So, ang toast ko guys is nandito pa. Ayan. Ang coffee ko nandito pa. Ito yung iniinom ni Wilson guys. Ang dami. Ayan, may mga, ayan kami guys. Lotus, chips. Yung perfume ko pala may, ayan, etc. So, we are now here in, ayan, nagluluto ako dito guys ng warm water kasi magkain ako nito. And then, meron din naman kami ditong mga things guys. So, like, yung kitchen namin guys. Meron kaming, ayan, tuna. Bumili ako ng ganyan. 5-5, ganyan. So, sardinas. So, ayan, meron kaming carrots. And then, yung amin, ano, tingnan nyo guys. Oh. And then, meron kami ditong coffee. May tissue. Ayan. Ayan, kagusailan namin ang kalat. And then, marami kaming coffee dito. This is the favorite of Wilson, guys, yung coffee. Meron din kaming ganyan, guys, na coffee. Pero hindi ko siya nainom. So, okay. And guys, so for now, magluluto tayo ng ating kakainin. I-wash ko lang yung cover ng aking. So, supposed to be, dapat kumain ako kanina. So, hindi ako kumain. Kain lang tayo guys ng Indomie. This is spicy and this is not spicy. Alright. So when nagpapaboil tayo ng rice cooker, i-wash natin to guys. Nakikita yung kaluluwa natin. Ayan. So mag-wash muna tayo ng konting huhugasin. Okay na guys. So, ayun. So, natutulog yung aking. Hindi na pala guys, boyfriend. So, married na kami. So, husband and wife na. Alright. So, soon guys, I will tour you kung saan kami dito. Tingnan nyo. May aircon dito sa labas namin. Naka-off pala yung lights guys. Kaya sabi ko, i-off ko na lang yung lights. And then, meron kaming sliding door dito guys. So, tingnan mo yung labas namin. Ganyan lang. This is the car park at the outside. Okay, so i-room tour ko kayo next time. So, natutulog yung aking asawa. Ang kalat ng aming room. So, ayan, tulog siya. So, I can make noise. I cannot make noise, I mean. So, ayan. Ito yung ating tripod for today. So, while waiting, guys, mag-cook muna tayo. Nagstay kasi dito yung two pamangkin ko, guys. Two pamangkins. Kasi sila yung kinuha ko sa aking, siya yung isa sa bridesmaid, tsaka sa, what you call that, sa groomsmen. So, dalawa sila. So, umuwi na sila last Sunday. So, last Sunday sila umuwi. So, hinatid namin. Ano kaya naiwan yung mga gamit nila na iba, yung sandals, sapatos, like, what do you call this, the other one, yung milk nila sa ref, yung pinadala, yung naalala ko lang kasi yung mga pinang-grocery ko sa kanila, yung gusto nila mga food, so yun lang nadala nila, yung milk nila na iwan sa ref, yung milk nila nga Burbrand Choco, something like that. So as we married couple guys, so we are tired, pagod talaga namin sobra kasi we have been weeks na prepare sa aming wedding guys, and then you know what, ang hirap, we have seminars sa church, and then sa Popcom, so we are so busy, and every day we go out, and then every night lang kami nagstay sa aming condo guys, so we are so tired. For now, hindi pa kami nakaka-move on sa aming pagod, ganun, so I give time for my husband now. Siya, he is my husband. It's not fiancé na. So, we're married na. And I have my ring, my diamond ring, and my engagement ring. So, we are married na. So, I'm so happy and contented. So, ayun guys, tatapusin ko muna yung lulutuin ko kasi nagugutom na ako. What time is it right now? I think it's past 12 in the afternoon. So, later, I will gonna do something for him. So, because you know I'm bored if he is not eating in this every day. He don't want to eat, he just eats some breakfast like toast, coffee, so it's not enough for him. So I want to make some food to him that he can eat. So I want something that I want to cook for him so that we can go out later, or I can swim or whatever. I asked him what he wants, you know. So for now, he's sleeping. So okay, I keep it here for a while. My cameras is here. I'm in the kitchen. So we will talk after guys. So bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. More uploads guys. More uploads. Because busy kami. So we are a happy married and enjoying our life as a married couple. So thank you so much. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Bye. See you on our next vlog. Ayan. Gising na yung aking asawa. Just, we are both husband and wife. Show your ring, darling. Show your ring. Yay! We're married! I got my diamond ring. My engagement ring, my wedding ring.
Next eternity.
Next the turn, what's that said?
Eternity.
Eternity. Yes.
Forever and ever.
Yes, forever and ever.
Just laying relaxing
Yes.
after a day out.
We're always busy. So, we stay in condo and
Relax for tonight.
relax for tonight, eating and watching movies or
Now go to the swimming
whatever.
pool.
Later we go.
Go to the swimming pool.
We go later for the swimming pool.
I'm just hoping she doesn't drown me.
No. So we are happy couple now. So we, what do you call that? It's husband and wife.
Hopefully no more LDR.
Yeah.
Next big step, Ellen's visa.
Mm-hmm.
Miss Marshall's visa.
What, cold?
I'm just nice there.
Oh. Mm-hmm. How's your sleep?
I sleep well.
Sleep well daw. Sleep well. Look my nose.
Mother,
My
you
nose.
look awesome. You look awesome.
Hmm. What you call it? Take this ring as a sign of love. Or what? I forgot na. I forgot what I say there.
No regrets.
No.
Happy.
Yes. Happy and contented.
With Grizzly Wilder and Humble. Look at her. Stay strong for each other.
Yes, of course.
You're the strongest.
I vow that I say, I'll take care of you. You know.
Yeah.
You know. Hmm. You know what I say.
Yeah.
You know, my heart says, I love you so much.
Uh-huh.
I want to take care of you. And, you know, sometimes, sorry, I'm talking crap.
Sometimes.
Yeah,
All the
sometimes I'm
time.
talking
All the
crap.
time.
I'm not.
No, only children there.
We are finally married, guys. Yes, we are married. We are not a fiancé anymore. We're married, husband
Yep.
and wife.
Husband and wife.
Yeah. So we are happy and announcing our subscribers that, you know, we are married. We are married. We are married. We're a couple. So we are not fiancé anymore. So we are
Husband and wife.
LDR, love wins.
Love wins. Love
Yes,
wins.
love wins. And yan lang, the secrets of being a long distance relationship is to be through each other, right?
Yep, there. Yep.
And you love each other. Time is gold for us, guys. So, this is the end of our vlogs, guys. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you our next vlogs. Bye.
Bye, everyone. Take care.
All
God
right.
bless you all.
Bye. All right.